The options and procedures test evaluates an individual's preference for either exploring multiple possibilities, options, or following structured, step-by-step processes, procedures. This distinction is crucial in understanding how a person approaches tasks, decision-making, and problem-solving, which can significantly impact career choices and business strategies. Understanding options versus procedures. 1. Options orientation. Individuals with an options orientation are open to exploring various possibilities and are comfortable with flexibility and spontaneity. They enjoy considering multiple approaches before settling on a solution and are often innovative, finding new ways to tackle challenges. Advantages: creativity and innovation. People who prefer options tend to excel in environments that require creative thinking and adaptability. They are well suited for roles that involve brainstorming, problem-solving, and strategic planning where flexibility is key. Adaptability. These individuals are often good at handling change and uncertainty. They can quickly adjust their plans or strategies when new information or challenges arise. Challenges. Decision-making delays. Their tendency to explore many options can sometimes lead to procrastination or difficulty in making decisions, as they may continually search for the best option. Number 2. Procedures orientation. Characteristics. Individuals with a procedures orientation prefer structure, routines, and clear guidelines. They thrive in environments where there are established processes and protocols to follow, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Advantages: efficiency and reliability. Those who prefer procedures are often highly efficient and reliable in roles that require adherence to rules and routines. They excel in administrative tasks, project management, and operations where consistency and precision are crucial. Attention to detail. Their focus on following procedures ensures that tasks are completed correctly and thoroughly, reducing errors and maintaining high standards. Challenges: rigidity. A strong preference for procedures can sometimes lead to inflexibility, where the individual might prioritize the process over the outcome, potentially stifling innovation and adaptability. Distinct advantages of the options and procedures test for young adults. 1. Career path selection. Aligned career choices. Understanding whether they prefer options or procedures can guide young adults in selecting careers that align with their strengths. Those who prefer options might thrive in creative industries, marketing, entrepreneurship, or any field that values innovation and strategic thinking. On the other hand, those who prefer procedures might excel in roles such as project management, quality control, finance, or any profession that requires precision and adherence to established processes. Tailored job search. Young adults can use these insights to target job roles that match their work style. For example, options-oriented individuals might seek dynamic, fast-paced roles that allow for flexibility, while procedures-oriented individuals might look for roles that provide clear guidelines and structured environments. Business decision-making, entrepreneurial strategy. For aspiring entrepreneurs, knowing their preference can influence how they structure their business operations. Options-oriented entrepreneurs might focus on innovation and exploring new markets, while procedures-oriented entrepreneurs might prioritize creating efficient systems and maintaining consistent quality. Team composition. Understanding their orientation can also inform how young entrepreneurs build their teams. They might seek to balance their strengths by hiring team members with complementary preferences, ensuring both creativity and structure within their business. 3. Behavior in the workplace. Enhanced collaboration. Recognizing their own and others' preferences can improve workplace dynamics. Options-oriented individuals can bring creativity and flexibility to projects, while procedures-oriented individuals ensure that tasks are completed systematically and accurately. Adaptation to roles. Young adults can leverage their understanding of these preferences to adapt their behavior to different roles or tasks. For example, an options-oriented individual might develop strategies to improve decision-making speed, while a procedures-oriented individual might work on becoming more adaptable to change. 4. Personal and professional growth. Balanced development. The test can help young adults identify areas for growth. Options-oriented individuals might focus on developing more structured approaches to certain tasks, while procedures-oriented individuals might work on embracing flexibility and innovation when necessary. Enhanced decision-making. By understanding their natural tendencies, young adults can make more informed decisions that align with their work style, leading to greater satisfaction and success in their careers. Conclusion. The Options and Procedures test provides young adults with valuable insights into their natural work preferences. Options. Individuals who prefer options are well suited for careers and business ventures that require creativity, adaptability, and strategic thinking. They thrive in dynamic environments where flexibility is valued. Procedures. Individuals who prefer procedures excel in roles that require structure, consistency, and precision. They are ideal for careers that involve detailed planning, process management, and quality control. By understanding their preferences, young adults can make more informed career choices, tailor their job search strategies, and enhance their decision-making processes, ultimately leading to greater professional success and personal fulfillment. The Options and Procedures test is beneficial for various age groups, each of which can apply the insights from the test in unique ways. Here's how different age groups can benefit from taking this test, and how they should apply the results. Hazard 1. Adolescents, ages 14 to 18, best suited for adolescents who are starting to explore their learning and working preferences as they begin to make decisions about their future education and career paths. Educational choices. Understanding whether they prefer options or procedures can help adolescents choose subjects and extracurricular activities that align with their natural inclinations. For example, those who lean toward options might enjoy creative subjects like art or literature, while those who prefer procedures might excel in subjects that require precision and structure, such as math or science. Study habits. Adolescents can also apply this understanding to develop effective study habits. Options-oriented students might benefit from exploring different study methods before settling on what works best, while procedures-oriented students might prefer a consistent routine with clear goals. 2. Young adults, ages 18 to 25. Best suited for young adults who are making significant decisions about their higher education, internships, and early career choices. Career path selection. As young adults consider their career options, understanding whether they prefer options or procedures can guide them toward fields that align with their strengths. Those with a preference for options might explore dynamic and innovative fields like marketing, entrepreneurship, or design, while those who prefer procedures might gravitate towards structured careers in project management, finance, or engineering. Internship and job search. Young adults can use these insights to seek out internships and job opportunities that match their work style. For instance, options-oriented individuals might look for roles that offer variety and creativity, while procedures-oriented individuals might prefer roles that have clear guidelines and well-defined processes. 3. Early career professionals, ages 25 to 35, best suited for early career professionals who are solidifying their career paths, seeking promotions, or considering career shifts. Application. Workplace effectiveness. In the workplace, understanding their preference can help early career professionals choose roles and projects that play to their strengths. Those who prefer options can focus on roles that involve strategic thinking and problem solving, while those who prefer procedures can excel in roles that require meticulous planning and execution. Career development. Early career professionals can use this test to identify areas for professional growth. For example, options-oriented individuals might work on improving their ability to follow through on decisions, while procedures-oriented individuals might focus on enhancing their adaptability and openness to new ideas. 4. Mid-career and established professionals, ages 35 and above. Best suited for mid-career professionals who are reassessing their career satisfaction, leadership style, or considering new career opportunities. Application. Leadership and team management. For those in leadership roles, understanding their own and their team members' preferences can enhance team dynamics and productivity. Leaders who prefer options might focus on fostering a creative and flexible work environment, while those who prefer procedures might emphasize consistency and adherence to processes. Career satisfaction. Mid-career professionals can use this test to assess whether their current roles align with their natural preferences. If there's a mismatch, they might explore roles that better suit their strengths or develop strategies to balance their tendencies with the demands of their current roles. Conclusion. The Options and Procedures test is applicable across a wide range of age groups. Adolescents, 14 to 18, helps with educational choices and developing effective study habits. Young adults, 18 to 25, assists in career path selection and optimizing internship job search strategies. Early career professionals, 25 to 35, enhances workplace effectiveness, career development, and decision-making skills. Mid-career and established professionals, 35 plus, supports leadership development, team management, and reassessing career satisfaction. By understanding whether they prefer options or procedures, individuals at different stages of life can make more informed decisions about their careers, enhance their work effectiveness, and align their professional roles with their natural tendencies, leading to greater satisfaction and success in their chosen fields.